Hi, I'm Holly Silva and I've been a crafts expert for 15 years, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Halloween lawn craft decoration. So here I have some black acrylic paint and I just put it on a stick. You can put it on a paintbrush, whatever you've got. And I'm going to make a grave marker. Now this isn't the type that stands on the ground. This is the kind that goes in the ground, just on top. Very basic. So it's subtle, but it makes a point, right? I like the subtleties when it comes to things like that. Well, I like the subtleties most of the time anyway. That's what I say. So we're going to write R.I.P. We're going to tell this sucker to rest in peace. How do you like that, huh? That's not so bad. And you can even write a date if you like 1843 to, well, now 2013. This was a really old vampire that actually died, is what's happening. We're going to say 1843 to dead. How's that? Make it really creepy. Add a little extra there. Now this doesn't have to be pretty because number one, you're going to put it in the lawn, and number two, you know, when you're watching creepy movies, the creepy part is because the things are kind of like messed up and old and really, really raw, right? Really raw and crude. So this looks pretty raw and crude, especially when you look over here and it says dead like that, like all squished to the edge. It's not really cool. So wait for it to dry. If you want, put a little coating of like shellac or another coat of clear acrylic just to set it and make it last a little bit longer in the ground. But otherwise, you are on your road to a really cool Halloween decoration yard. See you next time.